Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the updated process of removing your phone number from LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply don't want your number displayed, we'll walk you through each step to make this change effortlessly. First, start by opening the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is the gateway to your account settings. Next, tap on the Settings option, and then select Account Preferences. This section contains various settings that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience. Now, scroll down to find Profile Information. Here, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This will take you to a page where you can edit essential details about your profile. Once you're there, look for the Edit icon. Clicking this will allow you to modify your contact information. Now, navigate to the Edit Contact Info section where you can manage all your contact details. In the phone number bar, you'll see your current number listed. To remove it, simply delete your number from this field. It's a straightforward process that ensures your phone number is no longer associated with your LinkedIn profile. After deleting your phone number, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the screen. This step is crucial as it confirms all the changes you've made. Congratulations! You've successfully removed your phone number from LinkedIn. Remember, keeping your contact information updated is essential for maintaining your privacy online. If you ever decide to add a new number or change any other details in the future, you can follow these same steps to manage your profile effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence.